Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect your Battle.net account to your Discord. So please listen and watch carefully so that you will be able to do the steps that I will be doing. So once you're on your Discord account, what you will do is click this gear icon, which is user settings, and then go ahead and proceed to searching for connections. And next, you will have to click connections and then go ahead and click view more and look for the battle.net icon, and once you see it you will just have to click on it, and then a pop-up login window will a login window will appear, and then you will enter your battle.net email or phone, and you will just have to proceed to logging in. And once you log in, you will allow Discord to access your Battle.net account, and finally you will see Battle.net listed under your connected accounts, and you can display your game activity to your servers. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.